Welcome to Interior Design YouTube channel. Embark on a journey of timekeeping sophistication with our curated collection of distinctive home wall clock designs. These timepieces transcend the ordinary, becoming captivating focal points that merge functionality with artistic flair, from minimalist elegance to bold ornate creations. Each look reflects a unique design philosophy that resonates with diverse tastes. Discover a plethora of materials, shapes, and sizes, allowing you to find the perfect time space to complement your home decor. Our video unreveal the intricate details of these distinctive wall clocks, showcasing how these effortlessly blend into various interior styles. Whether you're drawn to vintage charm, contemporary sleekness, or electric designs, our collection caters to a spectrum of preferences. Explore the use of innovative features that, such as silent mechanisms or smart technology, that add a modern twist to our timeless concept of a wall clock. Join us in exploring the beauty of time through these distinctive home wall clock designs, where every tick and tock becomes a statement in design and functionality. These clocks not only serve the practical purpose of timekeeping, but also contribute to the overall aesthetic appeal of your living spaces. Transform your walls into a gallery of timepieces that tell the story of timeless design and functional elegance. Thanks for watching. Must watch, subscribe, and like Interior Designs channel.